of the three ancient civilizations, India, China, and Southeast Asia.
Alright, now we have one of the famous historians, Elizabeth Luisa. Now she will tell us about the history organization of society.
Alright, now Miss Luisa, tell us more about the organization of the ancient time, the society during the ancient time.
Okay, so a society is a group of people ruled under the same government. They share common needs such as food, water, and shelter.
What will happen when the society grows bigger?
When the society grows, the members organize themselves into groups and divide work amongst themselves. A social system often ranks people according to how wealthy and powerful they are. The topmost of the pyramid would be the upper or ruling class, and they are usually rulers, officials, and priests. The middle class is the business class, which are made up of people who own big businesses, usually merchants, and the lower class, the working class, have decreasing amounts of wealth and power. They are usually farmers, craftsmen, soldiers, and laborers.
That's so cool! Do we have those today?
No, sadly we do not have those today.
Oh, can I ask some questions too?
Of course.
I want to ask a few questions about India.
Go ahead.
When did the Aryan first came?
They came around 1500 BCE, and they were the ones to bring the method of grouping people.
What are the classes there?
The classes there are called Varnas. And yes,
Who is the highest class in the Varnas?
the highest class is the Kshatriyas. They are usually warriors and rulers. Then we have the Brahmins, which are usually priests, scholars, and teachers. Then we have the Vaishyas, traders, farmers, and landowners.
Cool! What other interesting facts are there?
At that time, it was flexible, which means there were no rules regarding the behavior or actions of each member in the class.
Amazing! Shall we move to the next topic?
Alright, let's call Edmond in.
Okay, first of all, I want to tell you some information about Southeast Asia. In Southeast Asia, the wide stretches of forests and hills resulted in small pockets of population and the development of tribes. A tribe is a small group of people who are closely related. In Southeast Asia, they also have a common ancestor leader and a common culture. By 200 CE, maritime trade has transformed some tribal villages into port cities, and then new jobs were created too. And with this emerged different classes of people.
How many actual classes are there together?
There were three main classes. At the top was the ruling class, followed by the trading and priestly class, and then the working class, which was made up by common people.
Can you tell me some information about the ruling class?
Sure. The ruling class, they consisted the king and his family. In several kingdoms, the king also took part in trade. An additional class existed below the common people in same mainland kingdom. They were slaves, the people who were captured during wars, and these slaves helped to farm and build temples. I think that's all the information I can give you.
Okay, how about if you move to China?
Okay then.
Okay, so what can you tell us about China?
The social system in ancient China developed and changed over time. During the Shang Dynasty, 1523 to 1027 BCE, there were two broad classes of people, the ruling class and the working class.
Amazing! What else?
The working class consisted of the common people such as farmers, soldiers, and craftsmen.
Tell us something more interesting about feudal lords.
During the Shang Dynasty, the feudal lords were given lands and limited ruling power by the king in return for their loyalty and support.
Wow, I want to be like that. Okay, it's the end of today's show.
See you next time!
See you next time.